Right now, you're staring at an unusual sentiment score of minus 0.01 for the economy, which is strikingly low given the recent positive momentum of plus 0.04 over the past 24 hours. This divergence suggests a growing discontent that could catch many off guard, especially since sentiment has dipped below the historical baseline despite the momentum shift. Our Economy Sentiment API captures this nuance, returning a detailed analysis that includes sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters. You can leverage this data to enhance your trading strategies or adjust your portfolio based on emerging sentiment trends. For instance, if you're building a predictive model, this data could help you identify potential shifts in consumer behavior before they materialize. Check out our documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs and start integrating these insights into your applications today.